Hey, hon, can you grab the door? We're getting quotes for replacing the roof today.
Well, hey there. I'm here to talk about your roof.
Low price? Forget about it.
Don't open your home to just any roofing contractor. When it comes to your home, knowledge and skill matters.
Hi, I'm Hayden with Brown's Roofing. We're here to help.
With over 30 years of experience, Brown's Roofing is the area's expert on all aspects of roofing. To have it done right, call the roofing professionals at Brown's Roofing today.
Hey, can I use your bathroom?